Hello everyone, welcome back to this new live episode of 29 June. So I managed to change the setting of the desk. Now I have the microphone on the left. Here it does not cover me on my main monitor where I trade. That was not that hard to do. It took me only 1.5 months to figure it out. Dummy. Overall, let's start with the day. News came out at 8:30 a.m. and after that we had a huge pump over resistance, and now we are coming back below to the supports of yesterday. So we're gonna see what we're gonna do. For the moment it seems quite weak after liquidity in the highs. Overall I didn't do the recap yesterday, but recapping yesterday very quick. Yesterday was a great day on profitability, over $5,000 of profit, but very bad on the fact I don't want to even blame myself because it was holiday yesterday and everything, so I was not able to be at the laptop. I wanted to stay with my friends and family, and yes, after 6 consecutive red trades yesterday I got an amazing green trade, and unfortunately I could have had 3 amazing green trades that I would have wiped all this previous loss. It happens, life is okay. And today we're gonna trade all 10 accounts, and I use the trade copier this time, and I'm gonna explain to you what I'm gonna do with the trade copier today. So we know that 4 accounts are really close to expiration of the month, so I decided to not stay there and pay for another month, because I can pay for the 90% discount. You know it well, with the Apex we have a 90% discount. What we can do is try to kind of YOLO them in a way that we double our entries on these 4 accounts. So you see, I'm gonna use this account as a main one of the new ones, double the contracts. You can see here 2 with this one, 2 with this one, 2 contracts with this one, and 2 double contracts with this one. Then you see my only PA. Unfortunately, again, yesterday I could have brought to break even this account. Unfortunately, everything was a mess yesterday, so you trade very, very well for 3 consecutive red trades, and then in the green trade everything is messed up. So this account yesterday I did not trade it, unfortunately, and yes, the trade copier in Apex is you have to pay for it. It's like a lifetime account, so you pay $150, but you can use it on 2 laptops. So if you have a friend added, you can share it with one of your friends. You share the account, and both of you use it in 2 different Ninja Trader in 2 different laptops. So you can pay $75 for each one. So it can save you some money on that side. But the good things of trade copier like now is now as well with my PA account, I'm not gonna welcome brother, you're welcome Ariden, you're welcome. And the good things is that until now, my friend, every time with my PA, because I don't want to risk too much, I was playing 5 macros for the same one mini or the other accounts, and every time I was doing double orders. And yesterday I was like, I'm stupid. There is the trade copier opportunity of crossing orders and deciding. So what I'm doing is with my PA account, I use 5 times the quantity of my mini, but in micros contract. So you can see here mess. So this way I don't have any more to think about I have to trade in my PA account. No, I'm gonna enter in one account in all the other accounts with the different sides. So 2 contracts in this one, 1 contract in this one, and 5 micros in this one, and let's see how it goes. Today is gonna be the first time that I'm gonna trade 2 minis. Hopefully it goes well, because if not, we're gonna blow up these accounts 100%. Maybe not today, but if it happens that we get 2 consecutive red days of $500 like we had a few days ago, we're gonna blow them, because I don't think I have a 2,000 of drawdown available in these accounts. It's like 1,500 or 800. So hopefully we get 2 free green trades right now, and then I'm close to pass them, and I remove these double things, just playing normal sides for the rest of the 2 free days of the month. If not, we're gonna blow them, and we're gonna buy 3 new challenge accounts, and we add them to the previous one, because anyway all the others accounts, you can see, unfortunately, because we had a very bad start, they are at 49,400, so they're below. And yesterday also all these accounts could have been gone back to 50, but of course it's easy if would got, yeah, that's what happens. We miss it, but it was not our fault as well. It was holiday yesterday for me. Let's try to be disciplined today. 2 trades, we're gonna take the 2 trades like we always do, we kick it, and hopefully it's gonna be a good day for us. So something important I can repeat: every time you enter in a trade, you have to accept that you're gonna lose a total amount. And when you think about that, like let's think about you're entering in a trade and you're losing $200. You cannot get out from the trade if your risk reward is always 2 to 1. You cannot get out from the trade being like, oh, it was almost getting stopped out, and now I'm gonna get out with a $50 gain. No. I know other people do that mistakes online and everything. As well, Matty Trader, I was speaking with him yesterday. I was like, I chatted in the live. It was like, man, don't change your take profit. It's better your take profit does not get hit and you will get stopped out by 1 tick than moving your stop loss every time. I know that because I've done that before. Moving your take profit is a killer on your account. You can you can blow accounts by taking profits. It's true, because you take them too early. You don't let your winning trades win, and you let your red trades go to your stop loss. Right? So let's balance that. When you lose, you accept your stop loss, and when you win, you accept your take profit. If not, your game is not then gonna compensate the winner side. So let's do that. Let's focus on that today. Take profit, take stop loss, and hopefully we have some good trades. Anyway, it's still early. We have 20 minutes to the end, so if you have any question, you can start with some question. If not, it's just a 20 minutes. You can check Nasdaq. Let's move this. Take this trade copy here somewhere else. As well, there is a 90% discount on Apex. The code is here above, or the link below. Yeah, it's a 90% discount. And you're gonna pay a $50,000 account. You're gonna get a $50,000 accounts for only $16, 16. So I think it's less than a lunch in anywhere. I guess less than McDonald's lunch somewhere in USA, no? So it's a very cheap price. That's why I bought them. I bought 10 for fun for YouTube, and as well hopefully I pass them. So let's see. So let's see Nasdaq, how it's going. Nasdaq, we can put it here on the left and go for the hour chart. Our chart is very important. So let's go. Okay, I don't have all the datas. Data series. Days to load, 20. Okay, rejecting this resistance, so rejected here, somehow some support here, rejected here, rejected now, rejected today, rejected 2 days ago, yesterday, today, and now we're going back to retest these levels. Okay, so we have to be careful that we might be in a range, and we're not going to have insane rights. So that's what we have to be careful. If we think to be bullish, we might try to be bullish around this area. If you think too short, you need to be short around this area. Or we start to break these supports and they become break and resist, break and break and support. Break and retest. Oh my god, we break, come back, we retest this level, we try to show to reach these levels, or even on the other side. If you really are the guy that wants to confirmation, you wait for it to break, come back to retest and go higher. So for the moment we're coming back. I do believe the sale is gonna be on ES. If you go on ES hour chart, zoom out. Okay, the data were here. Every time I have to fix this data, I go apply. Okay. So what do we have right now? Resistance here above. That's what we got projected today, this morning, and we are retesting these levels right now. That has been support. So let's see if now it's gonna break these levels, and we're gonna probably retest these levels here. If we retest these ones, means that in Nasdaq we might break these ones and come back here. So the distance is probably it's gonna be that one. If we continue to the downside, we're gonna go to the downside as well. That's my mate. I don't know, my internet's lagged for a bit, unfortunately, so I have to, usually when it happens, I need to disconnect Ninja Trader because I know the candles are now not good. Okay, can you disconnect? Don't like that. Come on. Finally. Every time, if you're using the Apex trade copier, every time you take it out, you have to really check your trade copier. So for example, you see now this one was not triggered, and I have to put double asides as well here. Check if everything's okay. 1 2 account, 2 minis, 5 macros, 1 yeah. Now it's okay. It's a bit of a tricky things, but yeah, be careful with that one with the trade copier. It really it messes everything. $12 or 30 minutes. Opening print. Now we have a gap higher, right? Because yesterday we closed, let me see, 10 was here, so the candle closed here. So yeah, now we have a gap up just a few points for the moment, 5 points higher the closing of yesterday, somewhere here. So might be that we're gonna go there and come back down because it's the gap is not that big. So you might feel it right away. Let's blow these accounts today, no? Hopefully no. If we make $400 or $300 with 1 mini, we should make 800 on these accounts. If we lose 400, we lose 800. So double sword, you know. We're gonna celebrate. We're gonna cry. Hopefully we're gonna celebrate. Yeah, we got 6 consecutive retraces. Hopefully we don't get 6 consecutive retraces. If we get like ups and down but on the positive side, then it's good. If we from today and tomorrow we end the week with some good trades, we'll end up well on these accounts. I do believe 8th of June is the day where they're gonna ask me to pay back. So I hope to close them by July. Let me see. By 6th of July I would love it by 6th of July to close them. So I have 1 day of cushion between paying them, not making mistakes and stuff like that. So 6th of July, hopefully we pass them, and that is next Thursday. So by today, tomorrow. There is a public holiday. Wait, there is a public holiday next week. Oh my god, holidays in New York market. I do believe there is a public holiday next week. Am I wrong? July 4th, Independence Day. Okay, you have Independence Day on July 4th. That means Tuesday there is no trade, so now means that we have only today, Thursday, Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So we have 5 days to pass these accounts, or we're gonna blow them up. If 4th of July, thank you, Arida. Thank you. I don't know US holidays because I'm based in Europe. Every time I have to check, I'm like, oh, I don't know. And I do believe 4th of July is the Apex end discount. Let me see. I got the mail a few days ago. Let me see. Apex. No, not this email. Apex. Blah blah blah. Ah no, 6th July. Okay, that's good. So means if before 4th of July, yeah, that's it, Ali. That's it. I mean, you have everything saved in your mind. I have to check every time. Oh, then we have time. We can try to pass them by pushing, and if it does not work, we blow them up on the 4th of July. If on 4th of July these accounts are still alive, I'm gonna go in one trade and finger cross it goes in one direction. That's it. And if it happens that, okay. If it does not happen, then the next day we're gonna just purchase the other 4 accounts to keep going with the 10 accounts. Sadly, yesterday would have been an insane day. Yesterday, but I think I have 2 accounts right now. No, let me just move them to the left. I have 2 accounts now at 50,600 and 50,700. And yesterday they could have been yeah, I know, but unfortunately I was not there. But if I followed my rules yesterday and I was there trading, these accounts would have been at 51.5, unfortunately. By the way, Arde, how are you? How long have you been trading, my friend? How long have you been trading? Hopefully we're gonna pass this challenge and get some payouts. That's what we need. The only things we need now is the first payout. The first payout is the only things that makes a huge difference on moving to the next step. And the first payout won't be huge because of course I don't wanna destroy the cushion, I think, on these accounts. I mean, I will try my best to do that, to don't get many people say, oh, if your first payout, just get everything out because then you're more relaxed to trade more. That is as well a good point because it's very hard to get to the first payout. That if you get some money out, that is even too much for your cushion, but at least it gives you some chill time on your head. I agree as well with that side. And yeah, if you're new here, guys, I do live every day, yeah. So you can see me losing money like yesterday. No, glad it was positive. Even the live was very short, was half an hour, but the previous days I had 3 consecutive red trades: minus 4,800, minus 4,200, and minus 3,000. Yeah, so you might. Go check these trades where I was like getting beaten up, unfortunately, and I was beaten up very fast. I was entering a trade and 10 seconds after I was stopped out. Like, and funny things, just the days before where I was green, it was deposit. I was entering and I was getting my take profits in 6 seconds. So that's the reality, you know. It can happen on both sides. You can win easy, you can lose easier. 6 minutes. 5 minutes and a half to the opening print level. So we're gonna prepare this one. I'm gonna move to the 5 minutes on NQ. Open it. Prepare this line. Copy. Paste. Okay, just give me a line. Okay. This all these lines you see in my screen. The pink one. Okay, sorry. The pink lines you see in my screen right now are all opening print level of the previous days. I do believe opening print levels are the easiest levels to follow ever. You don't have to be there, check at the level on the 4 hour, the level on the daily, the level on the weekly, the level on the 15 minutes. No. Every day I put the opening print level on the chart. That's it. And you see that the opening print level gets respected so much during the day. Like this yesterday, do you see this level here? I didn't put it yesterday. This was not the opening print level yesterday. I didn't even put the opening print level yesterday. But this was a opening print level of some previous days. I don't remember. But has been used as a support. The next one was used as support here. Then we had some choppiness. Then pushed above, support here. So you see, opening print level of previous days can help a lot to define the next level of support and resistance. We're coming down very fast, and now the gap is here at 20, so we have 8 points on yes, and in Q I do believe it's 10, I think it's here. Okay, I don't. Okay. $10.05, yeah, here 139, yeah, almost at the same as like ES move. Not that much, but it's above, so we might have some push to the upside to that gap fill first. That is Patrick's tactic. It's the guy of gap fills. Probably right now, because he saw some consolidation here, he bought long to anticipate the move to the gap fill. That is around, like we say 39. So he will get his 20 points, 30 points almost if he gets them. Usually he goes for less, and he will go for a long. Also, if you're new, that just don't. If you're someone that is trying to trade and to learn to trade, if you avoid the 1 minute as soon as possible, you will become better traders. It was hard for me to move from the 1 minute chart. It was very hard because I was stubborn to be like, 1 minute is my way, 1 minute is perfect. I was so stubborn with it. Now I use the 2 minutes and it is much better. And yeah, when everything starts to move slower and slower, you are more relaxed and you start to have better entries as well. Because when you start to see candles moving fast, you get FOMO, right? You see candles spiking up and you're like, oh my god, I have to enter. You enter at the top of the candle, then it's on the next one it comes back and you're like, oh no, why did I enter? So avoid the 1 minute. But lastly, when you go larger, you have slower movement because the candles gets bigger and it's 5 minutes and 15 minutes and stuff like that. You become more relaxed on trading. Of course, you might say the stop loss is bigger. No, but yeah, stop loss is bigger, but it doesn't mean that you have to play with the same size as a scalper on the 1 minute, right? If you were playing one mini contract with a 1 minute chart, play 4 micros with the 5 or 15 minute chart. It's gonna be the same. You're gonna take 2 free trades per day and make the same amount of money and be more relaxed because you're gonna let your trade run. Of course, it's hard in one side because you're like holding for a lot of time, but when you start to get used to it at holding winners, that is when you understand you are on the profitability direction. Hold your winners. I do remember at the beginning when I started to trade with my cousin, we were short. I remember this trade very well. Short in Tesla because it broke a possible trend line that I draw. And the moment that Tesla just did a few points below, my entry, and I was like, oh, I'm trimming out. And I'm like, yo man, I was risking this high, like my risk was somewhere here, and then I trimmed to profit like somewhere there, and I'm like, there's no risk reward. You have to win 200% of the time to make back all the money. Oh, we're open. This was the line I added. Okay, so let's open new opening print level, and that's by luck I put it on this correct entry. So if you're here, every time what I repeat on the live is that if you're thinking to trade ES or NQ, try to get them when they are above the same opening print level. Okay, if NQ is above the opening print level and ES above the opening print level, you have higher chance to have a long side. If both are below the opening print level, you have a higher chance to have a short position. Look at NQ pushing higher, ES still not. It's very risky now to play a long side when ES is still below. You might be chopped out here on the left. So wait for some confirmation. See that you were chasing here, but ES was still below the opening print level. Here you got chased, you got destroyed. Wait for this to go above, and you might have possible scalps to the upside. Now it's coming back down. So now they're both in below, but it's just open. It's what is 1.5 minutes? It's too early. We have support here. This is opening print level of previous days. We have even 2 of them, so it means that support might be strong enough. But here we don't have anything, for what I know. That's for what the lines I have. That's done. That's something I'm so happy that I improved this in the last period, is the fact that I don't freak out anymore. Before, oh my god, before I was trading like this, open 1 minute and short, like trading already right now. First 2 minutes I already probably shot 1 trade for sure. Like coming back, trying to short, coming back, trying to go long here, not a mess. I was losing, and the fact of that style of trading is that you have to be accurate as much as possible, because if you get some bad trades, then your mind is, if it's not used, you're gone. You're gonna lose a lot. Look at that bounce. Opening print level of previous days, huge level. We have 2 of them. It's nice, right? It's easy when you're like, oh, we have 2 opening print levels on the same level. So, how is it so interesting that 2 days go back to the opening print level of one of the previous days, and you're like, it's insane. It happened as well to be perfect, like by tick, right? By tick to be perfect, like 97.50, and the next day is open at 97.50. So that level is huge. So like that, bouncing, now both becoming green. Are becoming green very soon, huh? Might be going for the gap fill. Gap fill is around here and around 39 here, yeah. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, pushing 39. Gap fill is in Nasdaq is gone. Is it 39 here? Yeah. And ES is very soon as well. How is the daily candle on ES? Why don't I have it here? Daily candle on ES. Oh my god. You zoom out. It's horrible. Daily candle on ES is red. Still red, okay. But not a lot. By just above the gap fill, 24. Somewhere here is the candle becoming green on the daily. I'm gonna let these first minutes to ride scroll themselves out. We don't want to get chopped out. We don't want to be the meat of someone else that is very good at hunting stop loss. We want to be relaxed in our trade. We want to enter and be like, perfect, this is my entry, this is my stop loss, and this is my take profit. Very chill. I don't want to get FOMO. I don't want to get revenge trading. You want to be able to walk away after you take your maximum amount of trades. You want to be how do you say, disciplined on following your rules. So keep in mind that you're not gonna be rich today, but you can blow your accounts today. So that is the big difference, guys. You're not gonna make huge amount of money because if you're a beginner trader, you're not gonna be able to hold on winners. So following your strategy is the minimum. It's the minimum hour is what you have to do. And if you don't do that, you get FOMO or revenge, what can happen is you can get your revenge trading on and yeah, blow your accounts. Okay, let's see, gap fill on NQ, and it came back down very fast. So that was kind of expected that after getting the gap, it was gonna come back. I think the gap fill was 20 on US. Yeah, I do believe it was 20, so it might be still have time. Very strong right now. Opening print level here, so see how the opening print level now is a support. If maybe there was a possible chance, maybe you could play long right now on NQ, because NES looks strong to go even higher. So and playing probably below of this candle. This candle is enough, and go long for a 2-to-1 risk reward. If you have any question, you're welcome to ask anything here. Funded accounts, futures, whatever in trading, psychology. Oh my god. Still bouncing on NQ. We had our gap fill on ES. We look strong. And we are less than 10 minutes to the opening. Still early, guys. Still early to get FOMO. Don't screw your day by the first 10 minutes of trading. Okay? So when you get the first, second red trades in 10 minutes of the day, you're like, why did not wait for the better setup? Right? When you try to get a break test of a candle, no, wait for better signals. Trading is boring. Trading is not exciting. Trading is not fun. Trading, when you will understand how it works, you will understand that the only things you have to do in trading is repeat. Because you find a strategy that works for your emotions, for your stability, mental stability and everything. You work something that works, you find something that works. What you have to do after that? Define a new strategy? No. You know the strategy works in long-term perspective, not in short-term perspective. and you have just to repeat. Waking up, open your laptop, look at the charts, define the entries of your strategy, wait for the setup to come out, enter stop loss, take profit, repeat, enter stop loss, take profit, done for the day, closing the laptop. Red, but you follow your strategy, good day. Green, but you follow the strategy, good day. Red, but you did not follow your strategy, bad day. Green, but you didn't follow your strategy, bad day. So everything that matters at the end of the day is did you follow your strategy? Then it's a good day, no matter what is the outcome, because you don't know the outcome. You don't know the outcome of the day. The outcome of the day can be insane bad for your strategy, but you don't care because you're thinking about long term. You're thinking about the next 100, 200 trades. You're not thinking about these 2 trades. These 2 trades, they're not gonna make you rich, but these 2 trades can destroy you mentally. I hope this helped, because I'm trying to help everyone here. On fire, na na, desire, waiting for something, it's still too early to enter. Let's don't get bad vibes. Okay, I guess you don't wanna hear me sing, so it's better if you subscribe. Let me see Daniel Inskep, what he's doing right now. Is he making some money? I don't think. Oh, he's back to. No, he's kind of a break even. He still did not move anything. Still. He's not a professional trader, like he says, of course, but he's a good guy. Not the bad rating. I guess his life just no, it's still there. He's in live. Wait, he did? I have to switch account and see if my live appears on the left. Oh yes, it appears on the left. Good. Good. Okay, I did not enter yet. Not a trader. I'm glad for him. So this usually he enters on Nasdaq. That is for the moment quite choppy. The only things I look for at the moment in Nasdaq is possibility of long, because yes is strong, and when I see these wicks on the bottom side, opening print level here, these 2 opening print levels here, I do it looks more long side from my point when I look at it like that. But yeah, it can be a killer. Let's see. I still have 15 minutes for the first half an hour to finish. So let's just see and wait. What? Oh wow! Nothing. So to this level we have 10 points. I don't think we're gonna do 10 points in less than half an hour, in less than 15 minutes right now. It's gonna be insane. I mean, we did it. we did them here, but these are the first 15 minutes of the day, so it's quite of normal to do that. And here is news after the news. So again, standard. It's gonna be insane. I'm The first trade today is gonna be insane for my trade copier. So let's wait. This I was just watching a Verstappen video. I'm a Ferrari fan. Oh, okay. I did not notice. NQ we broke below. I don't like the situation when it's one is still above the opening pit level. We have to. Let me change the colors. I don't think it's very good like that because we don't understand which opening print level. Opening level is for today. Okay, let's go. And we can. Green, I guess. No, green we already have it there. Yellow, orange, yeah, orange red. Okay, orange red is the opening print level of today. This one was this one, yes. We fixed it better. So one is below the opening print level and other one is above the opening print level. Like look at the previous opening print level, resistance, support. So yes, bouncing back between these two, and Q trying to go above it again. We have 30 minutes to opening print level to sorry, we have 30 minutes to the first 30 minutes to close. Sorry. Okay, we are chopping right now. Do we have some major news that might make us some change for tomorrow? Friday, tomorrow we have core PCE, okay, personal spending, personal income, Chicago business barometer, okay, but PCE is data for tomorrow, and consumer sentiment final at 10 a.m. Okay. Gotcha. We have some news tomorrow. I don't think that is probably the top news of the day for the moment. Yes, it's kind of bullish side, and NQ still on the support of this two opening print levels. Let's see how this 5 minutes closer. We still have a few seconds, 10, 30, 40 seconds. Let me see the our chart on yes. Yeah, where this is kind of seems like a resistance. If we break higher, it's gonna be interesting. Is it exactly that one? I do believe so. Open 4422. Open 422. Insegna. Okay, we're going. Okay, it's critical moment. We're gonna push higher. Means we're gonna push also. Look at that. We're on a resistance, measure resistance on ES, and we are on open print level on NQ. Same situation. 5 minutes green candle, and now trying to push above it, and here ES trying to push above it. Wait for it to see, at least break these highs to the side of decision factor on one direction. Now it's still too early to be a resistance. Let's see trades by math what is doing. The moment that we wait for this half an hour. Oh, okay, we're pushing a yes. Let's see. Trades by math is did not take any trade yet. He moved to California, I think, something like that. That guy has a lot of subscribers, a lot of views. Eugene said that power is speaking. Wait, I'm confused right now. Do we have some lives online? What? I don't know. Here it says that he was speaking at 2:30 a.m. So it's already past, right? It's like this last night for US time. Oh wow, look at that. No, it doesn't want to move. Do we have 10 a.m. news? Maybe that is the reason. Oh, that's why I'm gonna open it on this live with you so we can see together. We are on Thursday. Oh, pending home sales at 10 a.m. Yeah, that's probably why these minutes is very slow, and we're waiting for it to finish. I say like 2.5 hours speaking, so still it's already gone. And I guess, and we had the data. It's already shown in the graph. Push high, and we come back, and this is the home sales we're waiting for, and very choppy right now. Around opening print level on NQ and around this resistance level on ES. So don't try to chase possible direction. Wait for the direction. The direction appears, then you find an entry to go with the direction. It's better buy high and sell higher than try to buy low and sell high. 100%. Trying to catch the dip of falling knife, trying to catch the dip of a huge move, trying to catch the dip of something, doesn't work. If you try to catch the dip of a long move, yes, like it's pushing higher, you get your like little of pullback, then you try to enter, so you have a better entry, and you try to go even higher. I need to drink so much water. Last few days I have not done a good job on it. Let's lose some money today. Let's lose some money today. Let's lose some money today. No. Okay, it's coming back down a bit now. 5 minutes to the news. So what I'm, let's see if it comes back to this level, then I would probably have my order above here to enter for long and push higher. That's it. Did you already take some trades? Some of you took already some trades. You have courage. I don't get Okay, I was checking if we got some new subscriber. I'm gonna check my analytics. I think the only thing is doing views right now is my short, is my funny short. Okay, 3 minutes for this candle to close and for the news to come out. It's gonna be a bit tricky with the news to enter. 57. Let me reload the page. Whoop. Oh, sorry guys, my god. And the 50 minutes looks great, but oh my god, yeah, okay, we're pushing even before that. Okay, I think I hope this candle was gonna close somewhere here and I was gonna go long. We still have 1 minute and a half for it to close, so still early. Oh, okay, it's going back down right now. Yeah, it's going back down. Oh, how long we still have? 1 minute and 15 seconds for it to close. Start to move fast right now, You start to chop people around. Look at the 1 minute. Let's see. 1 minute. Yeah. Look at that. Chopping around. I do believe if we go above this level, probably it's gonna be a nice entry, but I'm waiting for this hour candle to close. So this candle has to close as well. And we're gonna be ready for our entry. 30 seconds. Checking my trade copier, everything's okay. Yeah. Wow, 5 seconds right now. 2, 1, I'm gonna put it.
Order submitted.
Let's see. Might be lucky, unlucky. Let's see how it goes. Push high, second leg higher. If it works out. If it does not work out, my stop loss will be just below this level. so it's good.
Order filled.
Oh, I got filled.
Order submitted.
I can risk even this candle, or risk this one. Gonna keep it with this one. Viewing tools, risk reward. And this is it. Very quick stop loss. I don't know, maybe I should keep this a stop loss. I'm thinking about it. I'm gonna keep this one. Let's see. The news came out, so let's see how it goes. Oh wow, okay. I think we're nice. Take profit is 4 points because we're losing risking 2 points. So my stop loss is okay, because if it comes back after this push, then it's a very bad news. That's 4 points. Oh wow, that's 25. Less than a point. Not gonna touch it. We're gonna have resistance right now, just because NQ is on the opening print level, so that sucks a bit. Hopefully NQ is gonna be strong to go above. We're gonna be fine with the S. If it comes back, my stop loss is okay. I think it's a good stop loss. Remember, don't touch your take profit, guys. Don't touch your take profit. If you're losing this, if you're thinking to lose $100 and your risk reward is true, and then after our mentality as a human is we try to put ourselves to feel better, right? So we enter a trade, and then after a trade is on, we're like, you know, if you get out right now, you're gonna get with $100 gain. It's not bad. You don't risk to lose the 100 of the beginning, right? You're in a winning trade. That's because your mentality want to take you out from the stress of leaving the trade to run. But then you're just cutting your legs, right? If you're risking $100 and you're not making 200, then something is wrong there. So if this trade comes back and becomes red, fine. Means that his strategy is telling me that that trade is not gonna work. I'm gonna keep it. Moving to the next one. One minute to this candle to close, the 5 minutes candle to close. Let's put the 5 minutes. If this candle will close above these levels, it would be nice. So we're gonna have some push. Okay, come on, NQ, break the opening. Look at the NQ on the left. Opening print level is the level that now has to break. If NQ breaks that one, NES is gonna push. Yes, is gonna push. This is the problem right now. Is NQ doesn't want to go above the opening print level. 20 seconds. The last 30 seconds, 1 minute of the 5 minutes candle is the deciding factor of the candle, right? Every time when you look at a candle, is not the beginning, is not the middle, is the last minutes of a candle that decides the power of it. Okay. Hopefully we get filled soon. We are like 25 tick.
Order filled.
Let's go.
Order filled.
Got filled. That was beautiful trade. Very little risk. We made 400 in the accounts where I was risking double, like I said before the opening of the day, I said I'm gonna risk double amount on these trades, on these accounts, because they're close to the month expiration. So I don't want to pay for another month, so I'm risking double. In the others, I put 1 mini, and my little P account is I'm trading half size of a mini. It's 5 micros. So I'm gonna show you the trade copier. Trade copier is here. You can see trade copier. In a few accounts I'm playing double amount, and in this one I'm doing a cross order with micros with 5 micros. So that's why you see the amounts are different on each account. It's because of that. It's because I'm trading the different amounts for each account. We waited. You see, the power of waiting is boring. Trading is boring. As how long I've been trading right now, it's 3 years, and I discovered it only like a month ago. Trading is boring because that's the only thing you have to do. Wait, enter, and that's it. And then you put your stop loss, your take profit. What you have to do? Nothing. Of course, there are some people that tell you manage your position. You put your stop loss in break even. Move your stop loss if you see that it's not going against you. I do believe it's a factor that can help you, but I think you can do that with experience, with a lot of experience. If you're a beginner trader, don't do that. If you're a beginner trader, don't do that. Don't try to manage your position when you're already in, because you as a beginner, you will see the market in the moment before you enter a trade. You see the market in this way. When you enter a trade, you see the market in a different way because the emotions are there, right? Oh, by the way, what an amazing exit! Entry here, exit here, and we are getting destroyed. That's important to have a stop loss. If this was not our, it was the target was gonna get hit, we had to get out with our stop loss and move on. Beautiful trade. Very happy with it. So if you're a beginner trader and you're thinking to become a profitable trader, try to have less emotions on the game. How to do that? By first not managing your position after you enter. You believe this is your entry before you and before the trade, because your mind is clear, is more clear. You're like, I do believe it's gonna go long. There's a possible support. That is an example, and I'm gonna go for the 1 to 2 from this position. Nice. Enter, stop loss. You know how much you're gonna lose, so it has to be correct on your account, and this is your take profit. That's it. You don't touch it anymore. You don't care. If it hits your stop loss, be happy it hit your stop loss, because it's normal. It's not gonna be the last time your trade is gonna be red. I had 6 consecutive red trades a few days ago. It hurted a lot, but you have to accept it. You have to move on and take the next trade, and take the next trade, and take the next trade, because each trade is different from each other's. But what can happen is that you trade and you put emotions on them, you put other factors, you end the day red, you did not follow your rules, and after that you hate everyone, you hate your friends, you hate your family, you don't speak with anyone, right? If it happens to you that when you have a big red day you don't speak with anyone, welcome to the club. It's a very normal thing, so don't be scared of it. Don't kill yourself for that. No, in a metaphoric way of like emotion. Don't stop push yourself too much when you have to understand that trading is boring. It's waking up every day and repeat, and the next day is not gonna make you rich. The other day is not gonna make you rich, but hundreds of days they will make you rich. If you have any question, welcome to ask me anything, guys. You're totally welcome to ask me anything. You can ask me anything. It's trading, whatever. Your emotional side. You've been losing a lot and you don't know what you have to do. We can speak. You can chat here. Ask me any question, and we can figure it out together. You know. We can do like a one-to-one. I speak, you, and you chat. But yeah, just don't beat yourself from getting trading losses when you follow your rules. Be happy with your trading losses when you follow your rules. They're very important, because you end the day and you're like, people come to you and they tell you, how was your day? You're like, yeah, normal. I got my losses. The market did not give me anything today. Next days is gonna be different, right? So keep it up, boys and girls. Oh wow, the opening print level on NQ was a huge level today, guys. Look at that. Bounce, opening print level, support, resistance, and huge resistance that throw us back. Luckily, it gave this little push here that was enough for me to close my position on ES. It went 1 point higher, 1.5 higher, but we don't care. We're not here to get every point. We're here to get our risk reward on our trades. So keep it easy. Now we're really pushing back, and we have, I mean, like I said it before the market. Yeah, now we have a huge support in NQ, so we might this run finish right now, and this support will be the correct as opening put level on here, so we might really bounce right now. So don't try to short right now. And I will, the best, if you want the highest probability short, I do believe, is we break below this low and we retest and then you short, but at the same time this happens, you see the same here on ES. Break of the open print level, we can retest. If this happens on both sides, you will take a perfect shorting. Rigo the Killer, you took an amazing trade, brother. It was like a 1 to 2 risk reward. On ES. ES, how many points was that? 16. That's almost 10, more than 10 points. Beautiful trade, Rigo. That's a beautiful trade. I took only 4 points today for the moment. Did not give more than that, but we accept anything that is green. Accept anything. And as well because this trade it took less than 10 minutes to close, so even less, yeah, 6-7 minutes to close this trade. Oh, but see, bouncing back, open print level, and this massive support in EQ. Again, resistance on this level. Wow. Today seems very choppy on ES right now. If you check the hour candles, look at the choppiness. Weeks. So you might get chopped out a lot today. Careful on that side. Something I'm very happy is that I'm not touching my take profit. My take profit is there, I don't touch it. Even if you see it was just for quite a bit, it was 1 week before it filled it, I was okay with it. $150K valuation for Rigo. What? So your balance is 54,000. So you still have less than 3,000. Shit. Oh no, sorry. It's 9,000 the target. So it's 4,000 and a half. Yeah, that's very good. Especially because today you made almost 3K. Might be the way, you know. 9K. Let me see with you guys which evaluation is better, you know, if I blow these accounts, because 50K I think are the best one between risk and profit. So let's go and check it out. Okay, that's too much. I don't wanna see what. Okay. So 25K is you give you 1,500, 1,500. But in this case, you're obliged to play micros. Don't trade minis in this case because you will blow it in very soon. So if you're the guy that wants to play minis right away, you have to go for a higher one. So 3,000, 2,500 is a good approach. Is a good risk on trading threshold and profit call. And I do believe that the next one that is good on this difference is not the 75K. I believe it's not neither the 100K, but I believe it's the 150K like Rigo did, because you have a nice 5,000 trading threshold is 2,000 higher than 100K, but you have only 3K higher on profit goal. So for 3K profit goal, you have 2K more of drawdown. That's very good. That's a good risk compared to the others previous one. So if you're thinking to play bigger accounts, 100K, I think 150K is the best one, because when you go for a bigger one like 300K, look how it's just increased by 2,500 to 7,500, and your goal from 9,000 doubled to even more than double to 20,000. That's huge. 300K, I don't think it's a good thing. I do prefer you take two, even for the price is even better because it's double amount. Take 250K, take two of them for even less price than the 300K, and you have better profit goals and better trading threshold, and you just play the same things. So if you're thinking to do that, this is the best way. Then the other one is the 50K. That's what I'm using, because you have 3K and 2,500. It's almost 1-to-1. It's not the same as 51K, 55K. But at least in this case, we have 2,500 of drawdown. That makes you more relaxed. So that's you play with a nice amount, and anyway, after that you can really just buy more 50K like I do, and have a trade copier, and just go with trade copier until you pass all of them by just copy pasting your trading. So if you're thinking to do that, guys, use the my discount. You can start now. Okay, I cannot do right now because it will ask me to log in. But when you come here below, enter coupon code. You go in my live. Let's go to my live YouTube. I don't think even I am connected. Okay, I'm connected here. Okay, get here. I don't think even I get my code. Copy paste here. The code is working. Then you of course accept everything. Put your data. Then you're gonna pay 90% less on your accounts. So your 50k, that is 167, is 167 minus 90% is $16.07. Did I lose the connection, guys? I don't really know if I'm still live. In OBS it says I'm still live, but I am not sure right now. Am I live? If someone can tell me that I'm still live, would be nice. Yeah, okay. Still, I think I'm live. It's my Mac. My Mac lost connection. How the heck? My Mac lost connection, and my laptop where I traded did not lose connection. It does not make sense. But anyway, $16.7 is what you pay for the 50k account. If you want to use my code, you are totally, of course, welcome, but super thank you from my side because you're helping me continue using this account. So guys, think about it. I don't know why, but my internet doesn't want to come back in my Mac. Why? No internet connection, it says. What the heck is happening right now? Well, am I connected with my Windows? No. I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi, but on my Mac it doesn't work. Do I have to restart my Mac? I do believe so. Restart is the way. Every IT guy will tell you that restart is the way. So, for the moment, I check my live is okay. If someone is there and they say that my live is okay, I'm happy to continue without my Mac. But or I have to go and check why this is not working. I'm gonna restart my Mac. I guess it needs some restart. I hear my laptop coming back. Strange. Okay. If it does not connect, then I will use my iPhone as a connection. I do believe it's still not connecting, so I'm gonna do that. Okay. Okay, my connection. Okay, my live did not go down. Okay, my live did not go down, but everything on my Mac went down. So I'm using my phone connection from my Mac. Does not make sense. Okay, I'm happy that I'm back alive. Back alive in the live. Look at that rejection again. Oh yes, I don't understand. If it's that Paul has to speak, but it does not appear on the news of the day that Paul has to speak. Doesn't make sense. Again, we go back to the news, Market Watch. And today, Thursday, it's at 2:30 a.m. Yeah, he already spoke. Oh, this is wrong. And it's 2:30 p.m. and it was here. Okay. Alexa, stop. Alexa start to say some strange things. But yeah, okay, non-user and Fed already spoke. I believe so. Speaks. Okay. Today, 29 June 2023. Okay. Federal Circle, yeah. June 20, June, blah blah blah. Watch live. Blah blah blah. Last of day, June. Okay. The live, I think, is already completed. I don't know, so Banco de España. Okay, doesn't make sense what I just saw, but let's go back and just we see like the conclusion. Conclusion is the direction was a watershed moment demonstrating the terrible consumer of blah blah blah. Bank stance and failures, however, were painful moments that we cannot predict all of their stress that will inevitably come with the time and chance. We therefore must not grow complaints about the final system resilience and maintaining the resilience price collaboration. The system was able putting our international blah blah blah. Doesn't speak in anything important. Did I get a new subscriber? What that was the sound of a new subscriber? I don't know. I never get this notification. No, I was not. Sad. You killed my emotions. Yeah. See what I told you before. Nasdaq huge support. Yes, supporting on opening print level. So what I said is don't short right now here because both of them are bouncing on an important level. Wait if you want to short to find them against a possible resistance. It can be right now because they're going against this area. So probably tools. What is that area? Wait, no, here. So this can be a resistance area. Okay. And the same things here on this level on years, but yeah, that can be a short. Or if you want to be more, assalamu alaikum brother, assalamu alaikum, alaikum assalam. Rigo the killer, Rigo today with 150k account made 3k, no 3k, yeah, almost 3k, yes, with 5 minis. 5 minis. That is a way. Five minutes is a huge move, right? Because every point it's moving $250 on ES. So means every tick is moving more than $50, like $70, $75. Every tick is moving like by $60, $70. That's a huge move, huh? for every tick. Every point as well, 250 points. It's a lot. Yeah, we're coming back down right now, so let's go show this guy. It helps that it's 90% off, no emotion, right? Yeah, that helps a lot. Like putting so much, like, man, yesterday I was in chat with Payne and Jose, and they were insane. Jose was like, oh man, give me your coupon code. He used it, he bought it. 5 minutes after, he was like, yo man, I passed the challenge. I was like, what? He was like, yeah, I like the long side here, and I went with 10 accounts. I was like, fucking hell, man. I'm here since 25 days to freaking pass the challenge, and you tell me that it took you 5 minutes to pass the challenge? And he's like, shit, man. Let me give you my accounts. I swear to you, brother, it was less than 10 minutes. It was less than 10 minutes. I gave him the coupon code. He was like, you can check it. You get if you get the money. I checked, and he was like, after 3-4 minutes, because the move was huge to the strong side, to the upside. He told me, oh yeah, I passed the account. I was like, what? Not great. I mean, great for him, of course. I'm like, I should give him my accounts and just give him to pass them. Yeah, because it's you know, when you go to Apex, you can request for the affiliate link, and with the affiliate link, they give you the link and the coupon code, and you get 15% of the amount of people pay for it. So 15% of $16 is like $2-3 in this period. With 90% discount is nothing. I mean, it's $2-3, but it's something. It's something. Hello, brother. Hello, Omar. What's up, brother? Woo! My brother from Luxembourg, from my big up pro. Yes, brother, today is a good day. We wait for the next trade. For the moment, I hope you're doing well at work. Leave the like, Omar, leave the like. Put the like there, Omar. Don't leave without putting the like, eh? Like, for example, Rigo, let me show you mine. I can go here. Transparency to the 200% here with everyone. Apex funded account. I'm gonna just first log in, so I don't show everyone my password, and then I will share it on the screen. Okay, this is it. The password is this one. Yeah. Affiliate info, statistic. So there you go. You see, for the moment, 84 clicks, 45 uniques, and 10 people use the coupon code. And for the moment, I made $35 from it, because it's 15% of your amount that you pay. So now it's because it's 90% discount. You have like $2, $3 for each one. Oh, my brother, 2 trades per day, not more than that. 2 trades per day is my trade maximum. So I already took 1 trade. I'm waiting for the second one, and then I'm done for the day. Yeah, Rigo, that is the idea. Is like hopefully this Apex gives me some more money on the meantime. I mean, it's just very new right now, but that's just transparency here. For $35 made, and they tell you that to get the first payout you need at least $100. I mean, there is no yet payout, so payout method, no. I think it's here. You see, are you reading it? 15%. blah blah blah. 6 month cookie duration. Yes, our payouts are $10, and if it's less than $100, and if it's less than 100, it rolls to the next month, so you don't lose them. The sooner you start, and blah blah blah. Yeah. That is the idea, is to have like, you know, another entry that can be these Apex affiliate. Any affiliate works, but yeah, if it works out. We are very choppy. I'm quite scared to honestly enter in the next trade because we're getting chopped out. It's choppy left and right, and because the previous trade was not that huge of like points, the previous trade was not that huge. The next one can wipe out all these gains, but okay, we accept it. What is the next possible level? 21. Support. Resistance. So this is a little range, cheat range here. No, this one here is triangle. No, don't guess. My God. Triangle. I hate Ninja Trader for this. Patience is the key. That is the way, Omar. That is the way. Patience is the key. It is the only way to become profitable in this freaking world. Discipline and patience. Discipline and patience. The true factor. Being disciplined is one as well of coming back every day and following your rules. Coming back every day and following your rules. Like going to the gym. Even if you're not in a mood to go to the gym, you wake up, you go to the gym. Discipline. Even if everything's going against you, you wake up and you go against everything. Bouncing in a queue, look at that, still the support like I said before. If you short it here for this profit, it's nice. You get, you get quite nice points. You get 30 points nice. The big short will come below these levels if it comes. If not, you need to wait. I'm gonna see what my entry will be, but for the moment it's chopping us and that's it. Now we wait. We still have 20 minutes for the next candle to close. Yes, we still have 20 minutes. We wait for that. We wait for the hour to close. The hour can tell us maybe a direction right now. So for the moment, if we go back to if we go back to the hour, we are still chopping around. So we might see this hour closing stronger or in one direction before we decide to play something. For the moment, we are just bouncing left, up, down, up, down, up, down. So not the best. Not the best. Let's go back to 5 minutes. We have like a trend line here, but we have a trend line of all weeks, so that's not greedy. Eugene with no trades today. Eugene, discipline, 200%, brother. Your discipline is insane, Eugene. You're killing it on that side. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. 20 minutes. Let's don't get FOMO right now. We got a nice trade. We might get another nice trade, and we're gonna be happy to play it. It'd be nice to close the day with 2 green trades. Would be beautiful. We push nice our accounts and have a nice green day. I mean, really right now it's not a bad day at all. $200 in 6 accounts, $400 in 4 accounts, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, and $110 on the P account. Somehow I had $10 because I traded micro yesterday by trying to learn the trade copier how it was working. Just checking. How is Nutty Bar trading? He's the guy that has. He's down. He's down $700 on the challenge account and down $70 on the other accounts. I'm gonna check one of his trades. I'm sure he did not respect his take profit. I'm sure 100%. But he respects his stop loss. Okay, this is another loss. Next loss. Okay, I think he went long. Let me see. Just a second. Maybe I can show it to you together so we can comment it. So that's what I told him yesterday. I think it's very important that I repeat it. That take profit, you should not touch your take profit. You should leave your take profit there where it is. Where is the live? Not here. How is Chinese called? Nutty Trader, something like that. Nutty Trading. Nutty Bar Trading. It's a very nice guy.
Yeah, it's not looking great. Not looking great. We just,
not the best execution.
We were in green. That's what's kind of frustrating. We started off Started off on the right foot, and then I got a little bit too impatient and trying to catch. Yeah, I just.
Is it now? It's full HD. Okay. So where he lost money?
No trading.
Somewhere
if I even think about trading,
not this trade.
The people want more.
This here. Yeah, brother. Let me see. Like this trade, he has stop loss. So he enter here, stop loss there. He just moved his stop loss. You see, just now he moved his stop loss. So
here
he entered in a trade with not the correct. I mean, okay, this is what this press it up. So I give it to him. Press it up. He has to remove his stop loss.
Oh.
Let's see if he's gonna move his take profit. Oh, he was able to date. Don't touch them.
I'm not liking this. Killing me.
Okay, no, it was this one. Oh, he moved the stop loss.
I don't know about this.
He was here, bam. Let's move my stop loss just a bit more below.
Don't know about this.
With no reason, because why did you move from here to there? It's not changing as much.
I don't know about this.
It's not moving it below this supports.
Nope.
Moving it between these 2 weeks, it does not change anything. So you see, it got stopped out and it's bouncing. That's because the support is here. And it would have been stopped out anyway. But yeah. In the trade before too. Okay, let me see the other trade before.
Not talk about it.
This one.
I'm out.
Yes.
Don't make me regret it.
Shorting, and he has the trigger here.
Okay,
and
I'm being a little impatient there, but I'm out.
That's it. See, he entered in a trade. That's what he's doing wrong right now. He doesn't let the trade run. He entered here. He entered his trade here. The take profit is here. It doesn't let get triggered, but it's okay. Your stop loss is here, and the profit target, second profit target here. Just wait. Your trade run, and then he stopped it because, of course, after
I'm
the
out.
loss,
I'm being a little impatient there, but I'm out.
Weak.
Out or no?
And then
shouldn't be.
100%. Look at that. His take profits will get him hit. Unfortunately. Well, that's what. Unfortunately, he does a lot. He's moved his take profit too early every time. Then don't touch your take profit, especially when you're a beginner trader. Don't touch your beginner. I'm a beginner trader. I say it. I'm a beginner trader. I'm not a profitable trader. But something that I improved a lot thanks to this Rigo, Jose, Payne, and Eugene is don't touch your trading, your take profit. Yeah, discipline work. Because yesterday, I was telling him this, and his sentence as excuse, like of. I know what I do, like he was saying that. I know I did do wrong, I do this, but I saw this trade like this. I know, his sentence were my exact sentence I was saying like 2 or 3 months ago, or like even before. If your mind has to find an excuse of why you do that. But that was just a mistake. Understand it was just a mistake on your side. And I grow from it, yeah. A lot of work, unfortunately, yeah. And I see him, because he tried macros, then he moved to mini, then he moved to macros. I really like him because he's genuine. Genuine is a nice guy, but he just needs more work on discipline. Really, just on discipline. His trades are fine for my point. He loses, he wins, but his winners are always small compared to his losing trades. If he keeps like that, he's gonna have many losses. So that's when they say take profit can make you break down. I do support that. It can really destroy your account. You're there trying to get some trades, but when you lose, you don't accept it. You accept it by letting your stop loss hit, but when you take your when it goes in direction you take profit, you just cut everything. We're still bouncing, weeks on ES. Man, if this candle close somewhere here, then I will go long. Hopefully we're not gonna go strong right away without us. We get our second trade of the day. I do maybe take a third trade, but only after 8 p.m. here in Europe, means after 2 p.m. in New York time. Then when the volatility comes back. Before that, it's just useless. Yeah, managing your position when you're already in is probably one of the things that is the hardest things to do, and only pro trader can do. Only profitable trader can do. That they know by experience that they should cut their position or then letting it run. But also professional traders. There was a nice video. Let me find it. About holding trading runner, how these guys managed to do it, and it was so fun. It was a funny video. Duration, type, video, channel list. I want a short video. Where is it? I'm trying to find it, so then I can show you. Hold runner in trade. How can you hold runners in trading short? I'm trying to find that interview. It was so interesting and fun. But also, you know what, a video I really enjoyed a few days ago, and it shows how many scammers are outside. And this guy did an amazing video where he was explaining everything. And if you're thinking about follow someone, fake gurus exposed. Let's see if I find the video. Yeah, this video here, so good for my point, because he exposed all these gurus, like the guys that turned $100 to 1,000, stuff like that. This video here, because what he shows as well is that many of these traders use marketing accounts. Marketing accounts are like live accounts. They look like live accounts. They look as well, they withdraw money, they look like they took the trades, but in the end they don't do anything like that. They just ask the broker to put them the trader, they won money, and they put them that they withdraw some money, and that's it. Then they do what they do is like, look at that, I started with this amount of dollars and I turned with this amount of dollars by trading my beautiful strategy and blah blah blah. But in the end, all these trades are fake. The withdrawal is fake, but it doesn't look so because it looks like a live account. But because this broker that is unregulated, that's why all of them, they show you unregulated. They tell you to subscribe to this unregulated brokers. And what happens is that every time you subscribe to these accounts, they gain between $500 to $800 for each subscription, guys. So means if these guys have 200,000 followers in YouTube, and they subscribe 100 people, that is nothing compared to the amount of followers they have. They already made 60, 70, 80,000 dollars only on subscription with 100 people. Imagine that he subscribed 1,000 people. That is very low again, because they have 300,000 subscribers in YouTube and everything, in Instagram and everything, and so they make like $1 million only subscription from this unregulated broker. So they make so much money from it, and then they tell you, oh yeah, I did this, I made this. But then when you see many other videos, and you see, I tried this guru signal channel, and they lose money because all his signals are bullshit, right? Then they don't work. So don't get scammed by these scammers, guys. Especially people that tell you they flipped $11 to an insane amount. Okay, I have a video where I managed to flip 1,000 to 10,000, but it was with interactive broker, and you can see that is everything there, and is with interactive broker is a regulated broker, and all the trading is there. So everything is official, but that was not even a huge flip, because it's 11 to 10,000 is a lot of risk, and it was not easy. And after that I lost my money, and I lost money, so I'm still here. Let's see, we still have 3 minutes to this 1 hour to close, and we are creating support right now. We are bouncing strong. Oh wow. Hoping this candle will close somewhere here, hopefully. I do believe that is the So unregulated broker is one thing that you should be careful if you are thinking to trade. These people that tell you they flip accounts, they flip $10 to $10,000 are all fake. None, and the only way you become profitable is by discipline, risk management. Repeat yourself every time, one trade after one trade, losing trade to a winning trade, losing trade to another losing trade. So tired, to be honest. Let's see if we're gonna take our second trade of the day. For the moment, this opening print level on ES, look at that again. I told you opening level are huge. Look at that.
Connection lost.
A support before the market was open, a support after, a support after. Opening print level on NQ that was open. This opening print level of previous days was support on NQ. I have 15 seconds for this candle to close. My internet, oh, my market is not working. My internet is not working. Oh, disconnected. Oh my god, disconnected. Oh my god, that's okay. My Apex just lost
order submitted.
Ninja Trader. How do I see the new subscribers? Every time I miss some subscribers, maybe it's coming from the live and I don't know, and I cannot thank the person. So I'm gonna say thank you in general for the new subscriber. We are 406 right now. 406 people. We are moving better right now. Yeah, so thanks to some shorts videos, fun videos that I'm putting in the channel just to have some fun. And the list live are every day here, so you can ask any question you want every time you enter. If you're psychologically blocked, you can ask question. So support on NQ, support on ES right now. We'll try to go long if we get filled. We are 1 point to get filled, and this probably will be our last trade of the day. 2025, yes. Let's see. So if we get filled right now, we're gonna lose 70. So if we get filled right now, is 4 points and 25. That's a huge, a bigger risk. This will give back all the profits if we lose these trades, but okay, means that we can as well in the other side hopefully make 8 points and a half on profit. Finger crossed it is. Would be nice to have another green day today. We take our second trade if it happens. If it doesn't happen, we peace and love. It doesn't happen. Looking at it right now, we're quite choppy, but it seems that support level is stronger than the resistance. Who knows? So means our risk reward. Okay, we're gonna get filled now. Drawing tools. Risk reward. Oh, it will not get filled. It's here. So our profit target will be this resistance. I mean, that's not good. That's not bad at all, to be honest. This support. That is a resistance in the end. You're right. We might get filled in 3, 2, 1, and we got filled.
Order filled.
Plus profit target. And we don't touch it. We're gonna get destroyed. Oh, we're gonna be lucky on the day. Oh, you piece. I knew it. He didn't copy one account. I knew it. Freaking hell. I need to go to 20. I knew it.
Order filled.
This is gonna be bad on risk reward, but sell stock
order
market.
Submitted.
And sell stock market. And buy stock market one.
Order submitted.
Freaking hell. I hate this. Because what happened is before I lost connection. And I lost connection, and the trade copier is reset it to previous. I don't know. You have to save. I do believe I have to save. Okay, now I cannot do it anymore, but let's go back to this one. Now I cannot do it anymore, but now I have a worse entry on this one. It's okay. I'm not risking anymore the two accounts. The two minis, but it's okay. I have to be careful with this trade copy. Every time I reconnect, I need to be careful. I'm trying to show you all my P8s. Maybe this one it doesn't matter. Okay, like this is you can see my PR and my Apex challenge accounts. Will we lose money on this trade? Maybe yes, maybe no. we don't care. And the fact is that before we enter the trade, we accepted the risk, and we respected the risk. We accepted the risk, and we are going for the 2 to 1. So cutting the loss, cutting the take profit before that this trade to close, before this trade touch one of these two would mean that we're going against everything we fought before this enter. So let's don't get emotional, and we just take trades by trade on their way. So okay, nice push. Hopefully the 5 minutes close above this level that we did not see. You see, okay, no, 5 minutes is different. Let's put the 5 minutes. 5 minutes looks more fun. Oh, 5 minutes. Oh, 5 minutes closed above the level. Very nice. So let's have a nice push. Triple bottom here. We liquidated this low. We liquidated this low. We liquidated this low. So finger crossed it works. I really need to go back to the rest. I need to go to the restroom very fast, and I'm coming back. Get the microphone. Okay, we're back. Quick restroom moment. Okay, would be nice to close this candle as well above. I like E and Q. Again, in Q, our biggest problem in Q would be the opening print level on NQ. This level of area. How long we still have this candle to close? 3 seconds. Okay, we're gonna close here. It's not the best. I would have lost somewhere here, but still very good insight. Wait, did I? I was very late to close. Okay, I don't like that. Or maybe it's behind my apex, but still like that it's the candle is moving much later than it should. I'm gonna check it on the next candle. I don't know if my apex now my ninja trade is everything behind. But the fact is that sometimes it's very hard to know. Okay, hopefully we're gonna push strong to the upside. Now that we all day we were on the downside momentum, we just created an amazing bottom, triple bottom here on NQ, triple bottom here on ES. Well, hopefully we get a nice push now to the highs. Finger crossed it is. I mean, okay, let's wait. So that's it. We don't touch our take profit. Remember, don't touch your take profit. We're not gonna touch it. We're risking 2 to 1. We're risking 4 points and 25, right? And we're gonna make 8 points and 50. Hopefully we make 8 points and 50. And yeah, let's see how it goes. 10 minutes candle close here, very nice, I think. And the 15 minutes chart as well, I think it looks good. Please come back, I lost connection. Please come back. Someone can tell me that I'm live or not. I'm not live. I'm trying to understand. I need to disconnect again my IPX. Means that, oh, now the data are totally not correct. Disconnect and reconnect. Okay, can you reconnect? I don't know if it's gone in my direction right now. Yeah, I can see it in my Mac. Come on, can you reconnect? What I like to see is the 15 minutes clock. Okay, we're back. Okay. What we want now to see is this 15 minutes candle to close above this level. Okay, we should be fine. Sorry guys, I don't know, but today my internet is playing some dangerous games, or the operator is playing dangerous games, because we already got angry with them that the connection was cut into many times, and they said it improved. It did improve, but let's hopefully it does not come back the same issue. One 50 seconds for this candle to close on the 15 minutes chart. Hopefully it closes strong. That's what we need. We need this 15 minutes candle to close very, very strong. It will give us some relaxed mind, because we are gonna be like, okay, this was a huge push, we got many weeks, the 15 minutes candle never closed above, and now is the first time it's closing. I think many buyers will step in after seeing that things, right? So we're gonna be in their side of the winners, hopefully. If not, it's okay, we accept it. We're gonna, so 7 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see. Now we just wait. Not gonna touch anything. Now we're gonna go for the 8.5 points profit. Fortunately, one account went. This account usually go for 2 points, for 2 minutes, but my trade copier is, with the trade copier with the Epix, you have to be careful. I'm gonna show you again that right now. The trade copier, usually with this one account here, I had to copy it as well with 2 minis. I'm not gonna do it right now, because if I close the position, we'll short it. But this account should have entered as well, but because I disconnected and reconnected, somehow this option was not saved, so you have to check it every time. It sucks sometimes, but at least you don't have to think about the trades every second. So come on, let's push above this high. We touch it, we come back, we reject it, and we are on a rejection of the opening print on NQ. That's the sucks part here on NQ, is that we are on the opening print level, so we might have some rejection right now. But we look strong in NQ as well. We made some beautiful bottoms, pushed high on the 15 minutes candle. We might go and retest these levels, and these levels will be enough for me to push to get my take profit. And after this I will be happy to go and eat. Quite hungry. Okay, come on, NQ, can you push? And if you NQ push above the opening print level, we'll have a nice push on the ES as well. We need to break this level here. What is? Oh, this is the. Oh, yes, we need to push higher. Come on, give us a nice push right now for just a few pips more. 1.75. If you give us that, I will be very, very happy. If you come back to our stop loss, I won't be happy, but I will accept. You know, we accept. Hopefully, we'll get our take profit. So we entered here, the stop loss was here, yeah. The risk reward was there. Beautiful this risk reward here, guys. If you're using Ninja Trader, it's so easy. Tuck. Entry, stop loss, and it's calculated right away. Long side, box, and short side. So easy. Before, like an idiot, I was calculating by my mind every time. 75 plus 0.25, and then a guy in the live was like, "Man, there is a risk reward." I was like, "Oh, okay." Yeah, we're rejecting the opening print level on IQ, like it was kind of predictable. Hopefully, we're gonna push higher and will give us a push as well in ES. So it's still early in a way. If we reject the strong, it's okay. So hungry, by the way, so hungry. So I think after this trade, I will close the day for the day. But hopefully we get a nice profit. It would be nice, right? Okay, we're rejecting right now. That's the that's what happens sometimes. Life would be beautiful if we just go straight and we take our take profit, or you enter and you're like, wow, take profit in 1 second, and stop loss in 1 second. It would be nice, right, to move on the live, but we have to wait here and be strong mentally to don't touch anything, right? That is the point. Like now my mind will tell me, oh, look at that, look at the profit, that is 925 for today. Take it, it's a 1k day on these challenge accounts, take it. But when you do that, you're losing against the market, you're losing against yourself, you're losing against the possibility to become profitable on trading. I entered with one conviction. I have to respect my conviction. Jose will repeat these words. Rigo will repeat these words. Payne will repeat these words. Eugene will repeat these words. These people are 5-6 years younger than me, and they speak like they are 50. They are strong, mentally speaking. They are very strong. Come on, give us the push. Give us the push right now. Give us these 2 points remaining. Wait. You jinxed it, Rigo. You jinxed it. You jinxed it to me. Now what a day. Let me take my profit before you say it. Let me take my profit and then we can say what a day. This guy can come back and kick me out in a red trade. We're in a resistance on NQ. I swear, if it comes back to my stop loss, I will come to you. I will take a flight right now and fly to California with all my money remaining. Fuck trading, fuck everything. I just want to see Rigo and punch him. Oh, we're still rejecting. Means that if we break this level, we're gonna definitely take our profit. But Rigo, look at this. If it comes back to me, remember, it's because you said, "What a day! What a day!" Ah, please take my profit. I don't wanna fly to Rigo. Come on, he doesn't want to go high, these guys. Come on, 1.75. Push higher, please. Yeah, right. I should end the stream right now. Take it and like, oh, amazing day. I took 2 trades, perfect execution. Come on, really, man. It doesn't want to break this support on NQ. Look at that. His opening print level in NQ is insane. How long we still have for this candle to close? 50 seconds. Hopefully if we close above this in less than 40 seconds, then it's gonna be fine. But come on, push. La. Come on. Now, give us the push. Give us the push. 1 tick. Motherfucker. 1 tick. 1 fucking tick. Piece of shit. 1 tick.
Order filled.
Let's go! I have to go in the other account that got fucked up. Where is it? Oh my god. Did I? Oh.
Order filled.
Oh my god. This account I did a mistake of buying 1 ES more than selling. Well, luckily I noticed it. Oh, luckily I came out right away. What an idiot. I instead of like put sell, I put buy. Oh, by the way, perfect exit. Okay. Wow. Let's go. Double accounts. Told you, man. When I was gonna fly to you, brother. I was gonna fly to you and get you. Look, we got filled by the perfect tick, eh? Perfect tick. Oh, look at this one. Oh, fucking hell. This account should have been at the same amount of this one because I just filled. I got the wrong field before because of the shit trade copier. But now I have almost 25,000 accounts. What, 21,400? And all the accounts are back to 50,000. Let's go! You. Respect the take the profit. What by the tick we got here right now. Beautiful, Rigo. Thank you for staying here in the live and chatting with me, man. It was nice. That was an amazing day today. I'm very happy with it. Very happy with it. As well on discipline. Very good on discipline. This trade was put me some doubt, but very disciplined on leaving my take profit. That's important of not moving your profit target. Oh my god, man! I went to watch again Nutty Trader. He did the same mistake again of cutting out take profit. Okay, I'll show you again. Look at that. To everyone, it's important that if you have a plan, try to execute it without emotion. What is it called? Nutty trading, stuff like that. Yeah, live. Gonna show you right now. He's a good guy, yeah. Say again, I don't wanna, not here to insult him or whatever. He's a very good guy. He's like a trader as well like us, and he's learning. But I want to show you mistakes that you should try to avoid. Respect your execution plan. I'm gonna go on the trade.
Oops.
Here, okay, you see he has a take profit. First one got hit, and then on the second one, he starts to speak about the fact that I like what he says. I'm gonna put the audio on the desktop. Audio to the desktop. Oh, it's on. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear it, but.
All right, now to trail
he decided
the
to
runner
move
going. I think I'm okay
his
with
take profit. His second take profit.
I'm gonna be
here.
pretty.
He said I should have a
take
runner.
Profit.
Yes, okay. But then here because he sees the candle coming back, he closed the trade. But his take profit was there.
When we're in the red,
now we're gonna see the trade how it's gonna
bigger profit. Trailing one.
Okay, let's go ahead.
For some reason, resistance trading.
And his trade was gonna close
platform.
Green. See?
I mean, he
has
used to be at the top of the
very
game,
good idea
and then someone
on
came
trades. The
and pushed
execution
him off the
is
platform.
So
and
that is
now
the important
he's just
thing.
fighting
So having
and mad that
have
he's
a
no
plan,
longer number one.
You need to.
That's what it feels like.
I have a plan.
Jeez.
Is not the things you need to
be a little cringy to watch, to be honest.
The first things, of course, you have a plan. You have a strategy.
Let's go back.
But the execution is the second thing.
I mean, this would have paid.
His stop loss get hit. He let his runner get take profit hits. He's a very good guy. He's a very nice guy. You learn for sure from him and everything. But the fact is that you should understand that you should having wait, why do I have sorry guys. Okay, so when you have a plan, you need to execute it as better as possible. So I don't know if you have a you can go back to my live. Let's go back to my live. It's here, and hey, if you can subscribe, guys, I would love so much your help. You can like the video if you can do that as well. Hey, if you can subscribe, guys, comment. I will be here. I would love so much your help. But let's go back to the live. 15 minutes candle to close. And you see, above. I entered in a trade. My stop loss was here. Okay, now I can. My take profit was here on the top, and I do accept. That's it. Now after that, I did not touch it. I'm not moving my take profit, even if it took so much. You get, you see? I was rejected. That's what happened. Oh wait, sometimes, you know. Wait, I'm sorry, guys. Live. I'm gonna remove the audio. You see that my take profit was hit by like 1 point, like by nothing. It's I'm not gonna touch my take profit because that is my strategy saying. My strategy is saying that I should stay calm and let my take profit, because on the long run this will be the winner side. Okay, so this got hit after a bit. Finally I got my take profit hit here. Let's see, we can see it live. I had an amazing push at the end, like by 0.25 tick. I was there for a few seconds. I was like, okay, it's very, I like that it's gonna reject right now there. And after that I got filled and I got out. In all the trades here, only in this one it did not get out because it was a mistake for me to buy another account, another mini. But that's it. So hope you enjoyed this live, guys. I don't think I will trade anymore. This is my 2 trades of the day. I made quite a lot on the fact that I use a trade copier in different sizes. So 2 accounts I made 1,200, 1,200, 1,200. It should have been the same as well in this account, but unfortunately the trade copier got reset after I lost connection, so it sucks. But this one should have been 1,200 and should have been at 50 to 2,000. It sucks, huh? It really does, unfortunately, but we do move on with it. 1,200, 1,200, 625 on all the other accounts, and my little PA account is coming back alive, so getting away from that drawdown. Now we have a $900 drawdown. We made 322 from it. It's a beautiful day. Yes, yesterday this account would have been at 50,000, but like I said before, at the start of the day. And yeah, we're closing the day with a beautiful day. I'm gonna calculate how much it is to change the title of the movie, of the live, and I will do later a recap, especially speaking about how it's important to let your runners go. Your take profit up. So I do believe it's gonna be around 8,000 profit today. So yeah, guys. Thank you for everyone. Thank you Rigo. Thank you Omar. Thank you who chatted again today. Thank you Aride for being here in the chat. Love you guys. Appreciate you being here and support. And enjoy your day. Enjoy the rest of the day. And see you tomorrow, guys, for the next live on a Friday. And peace, everyone. Love you all. Enjoy the day. And don't touch your trades when you already entered in them. Good luck!